You know, me not like that song there.
Man, I like the line there.
I swear. People, welcome back on the show. This is the Upnlive show, live here on TGM Radio. We're here each and every Tuesday from the hours of 9. And you know, we're there with our next bad empress inside the studio. She's been here before.
6
from
years ago.
6 years ago, yeah.
It's been ages.
It's been a years. People, look at the Dainty, she's here.
Yeah.
Should I call you look at the Dainty, or is it just Dainty?
Big Dainty.
Still Little Dainty.
Still Little Dainty.
You know, my nan grew up.
You see that now? Welcome back to the show.
That's why I'm coming look
She look probably like she want me reassured. So she not girl. Baby girl, you're not girl. Oh,
thank you very much for joining us again.
Thank
Give
you
thanks.
guys for having me up and live. You know,
Yeah.
it's family thing. Big
Of
up
course.
everyone locked in on the Facebook, the Instagram, the Twitch,
everywhere.
the Twitter,
We're worldwide.
Of
and
course.
the radio.
And of course,
And the radio,
of course, the
of course.
website.
Glenn Devon's first lady. Is that
Yes.
is still at the same goes same
I'm
time?
still gonna be the first.
For it, always and
Of course.
forever.
Always and forever.
Big up smooth face. you
Big
know,
up
and-
Smooth Face, Guru and Records, Glenn Devon same way, because you know Glenn Devon put me out there
Of course.
on the
So
map.
how has it been though? What's been happening Dainty since because it's been a while.
Yes.
It's
and-
been a while.
And for one time we see you kind of dormant, we not really see you do nothing much. What was happening? What happened? What's going on for Little Dainty?
I mean, if I can go back,
Let's start from there.
we started out like proper 2015 when the whole Glenn Devon team was, you know, running road and the music was, and then for some reason we parted, you know.
So that's going. That's what I wanted to find
Yeah,
out.
that
So you parted
happened.
ties with Glenn Devon at one time.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was just focusing on me and just getting to know me. Because, you know, it was a Smooth and, you know, Smooth was doing his own thing. I was doing my own thing.
Okay.
And then I decided to drop like maybe 1 or 2 songs a year after that.
Okay.
That's where
Is that strategically or is just
Yeah, I feel like because I've been doing this for so long,
Yeah.
I feel like I didn't want to work hard anymore. I want to work smart.
Okay.
Like for the song that you just dropped, I released that song last year, August. and
Yeah,
it's
we know.
Still around
Yeah,
the
just,
place.
yeah.
We know.
That's the only song that's buzzing for Lil Dainty and it's keeping me relevant. So I just feel like, no, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to drop songs that are hot and it's
And
going to keep me
com-
hot.
promote-
Maybe just like
promoting it.
2 songs a year or 3 and just do that. But with that said, I'm going to focus on What's Popping. You know, I've been trying to do What's Popping for the
I
past
see.
3 years
Yeah, I
as
see
well.
you. Because
That's a platform.
Yes.
Okay, and talk to us about what's popping.
So What's Popping, I started it in 2014. But because music
Was your
took
fir-
off,
Yeah.
I had to pause it.
yeah.
So now I feel like this is what I really want to do and just put music on the...
And
It's
the
not
side
putting
burner?
it. It's
It's
you
not
know,
putting it down. I'm gonna do both, but I'm gonna focus on What's Popping more because I feel like I wanna build this platform to help UK Dancehall more because I've been in it since I was 16 and I see how hard
Yeah.
it is
Yeah.
for, you know, artists to break through in the UK.
It is
Yeah.
hard.
And it's really getting to me now. So I feel like platform like Upnlive, What's Popping, we need more of this. like,
Definitely,
you know?
definitely.
So this year, wouldn't you say this year is a great year for you to jump back in dancehall because I think the UK dancehall is on
Is-
the
It's
Yeah.
it's
microscope
on a
at the
ball
moment.
at the moment. Definitely.
I mean, I'm in it.
Everybody's is inspecting it. So when you say you want to work smart and do 2 songs here, but not that hard,
Yeah.
what about these other female artists that is coming through the gate where decides they're gonna turn up that pressure? Would you doing 1 or 2 songs for the year? Would that be enough to
Enough.
keep it relevant?
That would be enough for me. As I said, I'm here to even help the female artists, push them to the
at this
forefront.
time when you have a lot of so much talent emerging from UK coming through where it's saturating the scene with a lot of music, so are you not scared for your 1 or 2 songs to get
I'm
lost?
really not scared. Sometimes you just take that 1 song, and I have more than that 1 song. You know, Six Talk to me is still
Exactly.
about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have songs that, you know, a lot of artists, they're putting out song, but they're not putting out quality
The
songs.
quality song,
Not
nah,
bashing
that's
no
what-
one, but me, I put out quality music. You know this, Rick.
No, because of the team that you were around as
Exactly.
when in the beginning, because that's no Smooth on the no joke with the
No,
production.
he
And
doesn't play with me.
so I'm kind of upset that you tell me say yeah, and the Glenn Devon team.
I mean, me and Smooth is still good. Me and
Yeah.
Smooth still
Obviously,
work
the
together.
relationship is there,
Yeah.
but the mere
Yeah.
fact of you doing music as you were
No,
doing
Smooth
prior
is still
before.
there doing music with me.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
that's-
okay.
Smooth is
That's-
not out the picture.
that's all. That's all.
Okay.
That's all.
Sorry, really. Big
Yeah.
up yourself, Smooth. You
Big up
know,
Smooth face.
family from day one and bare things. All
Definitely.
right then. So quarantine happened. COVID happened. Forwarding out what the early part of 2020.
Yeah, like
How was? I mean, you said that you were taking a different avenue for your music, but how was that for you as an individual, seeing what was happening in the world and having this quarantine time at home, probably with family, with friends? How was it for you?
I mean, to be honest, in 2020, I wasn't doing any music. I was just working 9 to 5. So
Okay.
for me, with music, it didn't really
Affect
derail
that.
anything.
But for like your personal, I mean, were there
my
any
personal being, I put on a lot of weight.
I mean, it's
Yeah,
quarantine.
it was
Every,
just-
everybody puts out weight.
That's what I was gonna get to, because the little Dainty I knew.
It's,
Tony, she's no
Yeah.
she's an adult Dainty
She's
now,
an
bro.
adult Dainty
yeah, I
now.
think this
She's
is
all grown up.
my adult weight.
Yes.
And I like it.
Yeah.
You
So, I
know.
mean-
this summer I don't care for
I
enough.
too
All
away.
of the girl them come out round like
Heavy.
a booming ball.
Heavy.
Oh, no, well,
heavy.
heavy. We're all gonna be Jada Kingdom this summer, bruh.
But but that's good. What was the call for that? Is that new love in the life, or you just find comfort in yourself? Talk to her.
I think it was, my next passion is cooking.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
So
it's a
I was
food.
just in the house, and I stopped eating meat,
Okay,
and it was just, I was a pescatarian.
pescatarian, only fish then.
Fish and
Right.
veg.
Right.
And every day me a fry fish, me a steam fish, me a roast fish, thinking that I wouldn't put that much weight
Trust
on.
me.
Yeah.
Also, when I'm a little stressed, I do put weight on. Some
Yeah,
people
yeah,
lose
yeah,
weight,
yeah,
me put
different.
weight on. But it's all that. It's love, it's food, it's music.
But you
Got
look,
got time to spend with your family.
yeah.
Yes.
Obviously, which is, I mean, quite important, especially if you're a 9 to 5, or I mean, on a regular basis, you don't really get that
Exactly.
family time that you want to spend.
Yeah.
So give thanks for the quarantine.
course.
Have it, have,
You know,
have the
to be honest,
advantages,
2020 lockdown brought some good things for me. I ain't
such
gonna
as
lie.
talk
Like-
talk things.
Because you
man.
have a buzz, you have a little glow with you.
Yes.
It's like
We want to
There's a
know.
little
We
extra-
want to
A
know the
little
good
glow.
a
things.
little glow
Yes.
happens. I don't know.
Talk to
I'm
us
just,
about it.
You
I'm
know,
just
it's
reading the signs.
just grown, like growth within myself
As an
you know,
individual,
as an individual. And as I said, I really want to get What's Popping.
popping, really popping.
Like, I'm thinking about a What's Popping awards for the UK artists.
Okay.
I want to do it big.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
know?
That's
Is
good.
there anything that we can look forward to? Like, I mean, you're thinking about it, but is there anything that you have put in place?
Oh yes, we've got the What's Pop. We're kicking back off on the 30th of April.
Okay.
We have performances from Smooth Face,
Okay.
Spooky, Chana Kimon, upcoming artists.
Yeah, big
Mobile
up yourself,
Prince,
Tano.
Yeah.
supporting DJs, Sir DJ Corey, Epic, Off the Dark. He's always rooting for the UK Dancehall.
Definitely.
And Fearless, my little brother. So we're
Cool,
starting
man.
from there.
And is this going to be an open space event, or is it going to be online?
It's open, but it's limited people.
Okay.
But it's gonna be on a live as well.
It's going to be
'Cause
on a
we're
live.
going back normal
Yeah,
now.
so you have to take your time.
You have to take
Okay,
your time.
so anybody who needs details, they can link
Yeah,
you.
can link the What's Popping page or Lil Dainty. It's
Okay,
gonna be
then.
a every Friday night thing. We're gonna do like
From
a
what time to
45
what time?
minutes. I'm gonna do from 9 to 10.
From 9 to 10. So we start with and then we increase it as as the
Yes.
things grow and it starts
Yeah.
popping like popcorn. The hours
Yeah.
are yeah,
But-
the extent.
Sponsor them and things.
Definitely.
I wanna ask because somebody said to me, I ain't gonna call the person name. 'cause I'm not like that.
Call
But
it
them
a
said-
joke, a joke.
Them said they didn't get afraid of the business and have to run with the business. So then
It's
that's
not
what
getting
them see.
afraid. I mean, if
Were you in feud with anybody or somebody?
I wasn't in feud with no one. Rick, you know me from a long time.
I
And the
know.
last time you
So-
interviewed me,
So
Yeah.
who in a feud with you? Because you're not in a feud with nobody, but probably somebody
so-
in a
Cause they
feud
said
with
they
you.
she does disappear. So
We are at
that's-
Umeke Road.
I mean, disappear when though? If I just explained the Glendevon situation.
We're joking.
Since
It's
I
a joke.
No. I'm gonna explain this though. I
No,
left Glendevon.
that question wasn't by me. You know,
I
was just a
know,
rap.
I know.
Yeah.
Probably I read something, but I'm explaining why
Mm-hmm.
I'm not on the scene. I just explained that I left Glendevon and then I was just doing me. I was working with Cutty. I was working with Tempa.
You're focusing
I
on
was
you.
just doing me because I wasn't gonna put music down just because I'm not at Glendevon.
Right,
anymore,
right,
Because I
right.
started
Yeah.
music before
Before,
Glendevon.
right.
Glendevon was just a push for me.
Definitely.
You understand?
Definitely.
So I'm not run away.
You asked the question tonight. The cascas what there when the whole ladies ma shoot after
Oh,
one
no,
year?
that's a for
Yeah.
man. Now wait,
Yeah.
yeah,
One,
things
'cause
there.
we a gal a fire shot over your direction, you know. What
Yeah.
one talk about that
Talk
something
the
there.
things.
I
then.
mean, my name was called, but
No, we don't know.
Sorry.
Sorry.
No, that's
I,
okay, 'cause,
me don't know.
Don't tell.
Me don't know. Talk.
You feel
Well,
like you're not equipped enough to take out the.
it's not
the
even.
far-
I just feel like at this stage in my career, I really don't want to get up and be bashing another female. Mr. Female called me name already in 2015. Like proper this man. I didn't answer them no. Then I'm not gonna answer them no.
But
If it-
hold on. at that point, we see Brain Tear Spooky, we see the Tear Boss and the Crooks them go to war.
Yeah.
And
It was all
It's
musical.
all musical, and it kind of give the UK dance a
A
push.
buzz, yeah.
So why
Yeah.
didn't you take that opportunity for fire some shot, make a place nicer? Cause as way I say, everybody locked down. It's good for like entertainment because we are Jamaican. Most of us if we're not direct, we're by parent.
Yeah.
Our four parents. So why you never just nice up here and sing a
Jack
song and make some girl know say you're
wants
relevant?
some fight.
Yeah, true.
As I
One
said,
little excitement in
I
our
did-
lockdown.
as I said, for me, it's just because we have a lot of people don't know. We have this group on Instagram where all the UK female dancehall artists we're uniting.
Okay, talk to us
Okay.
about that group then.
And it was Tana Kimon our idea. You know, we're gonna come out like with a little cipher video, just
Yeah.
uniting. So I didn't
Right.
wanna,
Get into that.
Okay, that makes sense.
I just wanted it to be like female empowerment now.
Right.
It's our time. There's more females stepping up, and we're out there now. So
Right.
I didn't want to get involved in that.
What-
Even
Before
even if it was friendly, I didn't want to
You
be a
didn't.
part of it.
But we all could talk friendly and say we don't want to get into that, but we're not seeing a lot of collab from the female UK artists. We're seeing more the man them link together
Yeah.
and singing song together, but not the females.
That's
Why is
true. I mean, from a longer time, if you know my music, you'll know me have no song with nobody. Not
Yeah,
even
it's always
Smooth Face
singles.
that's
Right.
right there that can
Right.
write that song. No one, cutting nobody. But my first collaboration is with Mobe Prince. It's gonna drop soon.
Babe.
Yes, see?
Yeah, we're
So-
gonna bring in Bash in a bit, guys. Don't worry, you'll get to see his
So that
face.
song was produced
shortly.
by Smooth Face, obviously.
Right,
Grown
right.
Records. So look
Right.
out for that rhythm dropping soon with many different artists on there.
I want to bring it. I don't want to say the word. We're going to speak about the topic where you said there's a page for all the UK dancehall females who
yeah.
are going to be uniting and wanted to do a cypher.
Yeah.
Could you speak a little bit more about that, please? Because persons need to know about that.
It's not even a page. It's like a group.
It's a group,
It's a
okay?
group.
And what's the purpose of the group?
As I said, first it was for us to unite. Because a lot of people don't know this. Liquor Kish was the artist that this me a song back in 2015.
Okay.
And I haven't
Yeah.
spoke to her since. And
Yeah.
that group made us put
Brought
aside our
you-
difference
okay,
and put
and
us
brought you
together.
together.
And
Right.
I loved it. So
Right.
Big up Tana Kimon for that. So, I mean,
And what can we expect from that going forward?
well, as I said, unity, most important.
That's what. Okay.
Yeah, but I don't want to
And
seem
music.
I don't want to seem like a troublemaker, but
You are a troublemaker.
Ah,
You
God.
sound like
You don't wanna
one.
seem
You
like a
look like
troublemaker.
Mighty
one.
God.
Talk like
Mighty
one.
God.
no, because
We're gonna need a preacher there to do some prayer.
Just ask what everybody are thinking, because we're not thinking about afraid to say it. Watch out. You're not thinking too late for unity because obviously
You can never be too late for unity.
we're in the last bit of lockdown when we're gonna get back to the regular schedule.
Yeah.
We're off in the hype. If you're in my league and you can't buy what me I buy, me no see you and you no see me.
Yeah.
So that unity thing there, do you think it'll work? No. Like the bar them open, people can go to, we can socialize
Why
with a
not?
couple of
Why
people.
wouldn't it work?
No,
Unless
especially with the females.
people have bigger ego than the next. My ego small. I'm Lil Dainty.
Lil Dainty.
But don't come
Yeah.
for me.
No,
Period.
we are just talking.
Exactly.
We are just talking
Big up
about the
ZZ.
female section of the dancehall business.
Yeah.
So we don't want to pretty it up and make it seem like say it's all rosy when it's not. We're talking the truth. We know ladies can be ladies. When we say be ladies, being catty,
Yeah.
and talk about things, and when you say you and them good,
Inner
you talk
feelings
other
and
things.
this, yeah.
'Cause you probably come here come say you are everybody good. And then the next
Everybody
woman
not
are done
good.
you.
Me, I'm probably two artists not good.
You want
And
You
I
wanna call
choose
them
not.
name?
You
No, I'm not gonna call them name.
Oh, give them the
Jaga
good.
come for
No.
your setup. today.
No, we just no. You see,
She
we
not
just
give them
want
no
to
glory.
know the information.
It's not
even glory, it's
Suppose
just-
we're there somewhere we need for
Yeah. Do the maths.
just
No,
This is
I'll,
right.
if that if it
Defense.
come to that case, I'll tell Rick. But
course.
so we can do not. It's all right.
I'm used to Rick.
No, it's not.
You can't tell me because none of them get
Rick
them
is,
back.
Rick
Brother
is like
to
my
me.
mentor.
No, it's all right. Make we there somewhere written
We
under
good.
there. See what you gonna do.
All right, so-
Trouble.
Trouble.
So here we go
Exactly.
there now, right?
No,
So-
before we forward to there, so we're going to bring in Bay. You know, we could talk about
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
We're
part
gonna
there.
bring in Bay. Yeah, man, cause Bay just have
A calmness.
He's very calm,
relaxing.
but he's like my best friend. though.
silent
Yeah.
river.
Right. People,
Bay, Akeem,
If-
come
if-
take this headphone for me, please.
if you're watching and you
Come
don't know what we're
darling.
talking, people we're interviewing Lil Dainty today here. I know we're getting introduced to to, I don't know, me not call him no B, you know.
Bonam.
Oh, you can't do something there, mad.
Good evening, sir.
That boy want to kill him yesterday.
Welcome to the show, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. How go on?
Oh, everything good. You're good, Charge. And what's your name?
Moby a Prince, isn't it?
Moby a Prince. Yes, we hear a lot about
Moby
your
a
music.
Prince. So, are you actually from Montego Bay?
Yeah, and but my mother is from Westmoreland, so me I rep like the west side as well.
The west
isn't it?
side, yeah.
Okay.
West side.
Moby a way, you don't know one link.
Which is
All right, so
Because
do you want to give your place a shout out in Montego Bay? Where in Montego Bay are you from? Exactly.
CLM.
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 You have all of them at CLM. I know what
Yeah,
you
man.
think.
CLM capital, the whole of them places, is it?
Of course.
Yeah.
You live in the UK here permanently now, or are you just
Yeah.
visiting?
No, me live here now, isn't me?
Okay. And your music career started when?
Over here still. Big
Okay.
up Smooth Face, isn't me?
Smooth Face again. This is you.
It's
this
all,
is-
smooth is the best.
So how did you get your introduction to the music? Because were you just around the environment and decide to join in, or what happened?
From Jamaica, you know, freestyle at school and them thing there with my friend them and thing, isn't me?
Okay.
And then basically when I forward over here, all of my friends them see me write music and always a freestyle and thing, and I say, yo, how can I do the music? So I try it and it work, you see me?
Okay.
Mhm.
Wicked. And you
Wicked
have
as well.
a brand new song that's going to be released soon
There you go.
with Lil Dainty.
Yeah.
Tell us about the making of that track.
The making of that, that's the house and chilling and be things going, you see?
Jaja, you look like
So no, you have to tell
That
it. You have to
Trouble,
tell
did
it. Because when you say be this
Trouble.
one,
We need details, sir. Sorry, we need details.
Trouble, you see?
You know what people in life.
See.
I know what people in life. I want
Guys.
to level people. I want to mix up.
all right, let's give
Move
us
from there.
Yes.
Move from there.
give us the title of the track. What's the title of the track?
Tonight.
Tonight.
Alright.
Okay, so I'm guessing that there you were on the ends chilling on a night and then yeah. me I try to figure out the song.
Me don't want to.
No, hold on there.
It sound buzzy,
no.
man.
Somebody on the live I say with the selector say a Jamaica, but me nah say it, you know.
What are they? Let me see.
When you know come over the live with that something here. When you know come here so with
Move
it.
from there.
No, move from there. Nobody over here nah say it.
All right, sir.
So why?
Well, people, we have
Yeah, man.
Why?
You know
Moby
why?
Prince live in the studio right here with Lil Dainty. Well, that's a reason.
Yeah,
with
definitely.
the new
Catching
song is coming out. The song, the title of the song again is
Tonight.
Tonight, and it's going to be released when?
Well, we're just waiting on Smooth to complete the other artist them.
Mm-hmm.
That's on the
The rhythm,
rhythm,
'cause it's going to
and
be a
then-
project rhythm.
It's
you
a
see me?
project.
Oh, it's a
rhythm.
project
Okay, so
rhythm.
it's a juggling.
Yes,
Yeah.
a juggling. So
Okay.
I'll make sure you guys get it first.
Smooth, just remember our email address is upnlive
Yes.
at gmail.com, and that is upni.
Gmail.com.
You know, if you just jump in at the DMs if you need some assistance, big up yourself.
Okay. Wicked. All right. So, like when you're there, just give us a look on socials for Moby Prince.
Moby a Prince. Is me one word, or you can find me at Moby a Prince with 2 E on the Prince, is it?
2E on the Prince.
Yeah.
All right. So,
Yeah.
we'll have a little second there. We'll forward back to you. Don't move. Just stay away there for a little bit. Yeah. Quick and fast.
We'll talk a little bit because we're setting some things for that.
Yeah. Step on the talk phone.
We're just setting a little thing. We're just setting some things for the
Yeah, go up now.
So just bear with us.
Trouble
We're gonna have a
Remember, you know,
continue
them
with a
say me
little
a trouble,
chat.
but you want to
Yes.
Little Dainty. You say you have the ammunition, so you don't have to do all of a song because you're bad. See? So hold on. Me go regular, everybody know the part I go. Me play a rhythm.
No, we're not ready
Relax,
yet.
no, man.
We're not ready yet.
No.
Yeah, but whenever they're ready, I'm gonna play a rhythm.
Okay.
Then you're gonna sing a song.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, I'm gonna give you a topic, and then
3.
you sing something on it. I want to really test your talent, skill. I want to see
I'm
what
not a
talent it is.
freestyle
Like
artist
a-
though. I'm
Yeah.
very rubbish.
No,
It's
word
alright.
association. You must me I get some common thing.
You
We
don't
can
have to
Okay.
listen. You can just have fun with it. It's just for have fun, yeah?
sing about
Okay.
It's
anything.
nothing serious.
But
So,
me give you a topic we sing about tonight.
yeah. So, you're gonna drop the song first as you do a little.
Yeah, I'm gonna play already when you drop. Any song you wanna drop on it, then we're gonna do a little bit of word association afterwards, yeah?
All right. People, this is Lil Dainty live here on the Upper Live show, yeah? A fair time. And
Hey, big up all of the hot girl them on the live. The girl them what can bubble. You know who it is. It's the girl Lil Dainty. I'ma tell him, Rick. Up on live. You know what some want wind up. You know what some want climb up. Tick tock till my time up. It's Dainty. Hey, no gal out a roll can bubble like me. Take any gal man, me walk free. Bubble bubble it hot like a soap in a pot. Tick tock like a on the edge non-stop. Cat woman in a white, my craw up back. My kitty eat fat, me want lose some weight. Jimmy no me want feel some pain. Now the things start out now me want bubble pan it. Tick tock pan it. You know why me a bubble pan it? My something good, it's me something good. My man, he might tell me say me what this something good. My back it up, then my cock it up. My man, he might tell me say you know fi bruise it up. Me is a girl, me love my sex. If me don't get my sex, yes me will vex. Out a door inna the rain, me a sex. People walk and a pass, them call up the press. Yes, inna the star, inna the gleaner. X-News, passa, them a call me winner. To me walk off bounty, take away the rover. The one my father know, him a stalker.
Yeah, God.
He's out selector.
See there? See there? See there?
Yeah.
See there?
All right, no.
See there?
Three words.
Because, earlier on, in the air, a little thing go on.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to give you an easy topic just to, get you warm. Badness.
Badness.
So,
Badness.
anything you want to sing,
No, we
but
giving her
make sure
3
you say...
words at once.
No, hold up. We can start off.
All
Easy.
right. Yeah.
So, anything you
all
want
right,
to
we're
do,
not
make sure you
prepared.
have badness in the lyrics.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, me play a little rhythm and you just do your thing.
Okay. Alright, what am say badness?
Badness.
See there?
Cross.
See we already?
Angry. What am say?
Let's go.
You know see girl Lil Dainty. I tell some people this, don't start it. You know why? Watch your mama name them food. What the box lunch there? Them bars of fruit. You see a bad punch there. Deal with it like COVID. I mean a lot down there. But the anti-celeb on the ground money a start on there. Me introduce myself on a minute. Bad girl Dainty. My talk how me feel. Some pussy no rate me. If you want blood for run, just violate me face. You shot a flying in your blood clot face when me hear me.
Yo!
Wait now. Pull up.
Yo! It gets serious.
Yo!
It gets serious. And a little Dainty again now. A big Dainty no favor idiot. People, once again, this is little Dainty live in the Upper Live show.
Yo! Turn it up. Ready again? Give them look. Pen drop from my hand right now is a mid game. Bars on the side, me a ask for your next lane. Flow so sick, unbalance it pick. Violate my camp, when attack and miss. Anybody this 3-star, me a stick. In a year throat, me a send this quick. 2, get tagged, body bagger get dragged. In a my scheme, badness, it a stream. Well, life on the gram right now, you know see it. Anything, we tell them that. Dainty. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so, want to see
See
your
it.
word association,
Listen.
all right?
Yeah.
So, Dainty, you want to know.
Badness.
Since you say you're a bad girl, make sure so when you take a girl, man, you can't take it with badness. So that next one, and look a girl,
DJ
man.
Chris Fearless, it don't say
So see
at all,
it?
bro.
So say, look a girl, man. Me a play one rhythm and then you look a
Alright.
dance or something. Just let me see what you can do on the rhythm.
Alright.
Yeah, your turn.
Yeah.
See it, yeah?
Bounce.
Yeah, so it there.
Ready? Let's see if we can try something.
No, man,
Yo.
do it, man, do it.
I'll be takes it all for take your man. Girl, don't pre me, go and go pre your man. I'm about you a send text, me no understand. Girl, you say you are the wife, but you a piss your man. Level. Me no compete for man, me no giant race. Liquor Dainty, my pum pum, it great.
Yeah, God.
Yeah, God.
I know what, to be honest, it's the first time we're doing this.
Yeah.
The wordplay thing, and I think you're doing great.
I'm
And
doing great.
You know, so the woman them is coming out. For this month, the
God.
woman them are come out
Them a
differently.
forward out, man.
Yes.
Forward, right, up,
Yeah,
right
man.
through the gate.
When you hear Barry say road open.
Road
Of
open
course.
up.
Open up.
Yeah.
And them something so.
With
Ladies,
something
let me tell you this now.
clean, so yeah,
See, all our wedding, all on in our house are sex and them something there.
Yeah.
The park is available now.
Of course.
Go on and do what you're the pumps.
Yeah,
All right,
God.
one
Yeah.
more word. May I last
Alright.
word. Unique. Royalty Empress, big up yourself. You give it a unique. That's
Unique.
your word. That's
Unique.
that's the last one.
All right.
Go find one for that.
Let me see what she can do on her
And I know I would feel like we're gonna forward in Fearless on the last part when she drop. I feel like Fearless if just drop him on the beat after. What do you think? All right.
Yeah.
Big
No
up
fearless,
Fearless.
no fearless, me mean.
Moby
Moby
Prince. Me talk to
Big
you.
up Fearless.
Prince.
Big up DJ Chris. Fearless.
Big up
So
Chris
my little
Fearless. Big
brother.
up
Him dep on the live and give himself
he's,
trouble, but
he's on the live?
Yeah,
that's-
he's he might give himself trouble, but you see me talk to Prince already, you know,
Yeah.
Prince go on like say,
Yeah.
he
Him
want go
shy.
around the team, but you
Him
see
shy.
you're in the Upnlive show studio, show.
No, may I get that in
Sir,
here?
sorry,
Look at people wear
forward
white.
over here, please. Come and join your queen.
Yeah.
Forward
Him
back.
shy,
And
but I don't
no,
know.
no.
When the rhythm start running, we forward.
Make a rhythm
See
run.
that? See that?
What want you to split? Forward, man.
Spit off a legacy, the man. You mean? You see it? That's a dragon guy now. Yeah. People, remember you heard the first right here. This is the Upper Live show. Moby
Yo.
Prince in the building alongside Lil Dainty and the freestyle. Let's go.
Boy, them a waffle, them no know about cream. Money in a bag can't fit in the jeans. Anywhere me touch on the scene, me and my team, we a floss and I live big dream. Yeah, 10 bag me spend for my chain one sweet. 50 them I spend on repeat this week. Remember them days in a jail on the cold concrete. Sleepless night, man couldn't sleep. No man a sleep on Versace seat with a sick but
That me talk about, you see? I warm up that. I don't warm up that. I don't warm up that. I don't warm up that again. I don't warm up that. Ready again. We're gonna do it again. See ya?
Yo, Acha. No one say them more be a prince, you see me? Boy, them a waffle, them no about cream. Money in a bag can't fit in the jeans. Anywhere me touch on the scene, me and my team, we a floss and I live big dream. Yeah, 10 bag me spent on my chain last week. 50 man I spent on repeat this week. Remember them days in a jail on the cold concrete. Sleepless night, man couldn't sleep. No man I sleep on Versace sheet. With a thick body girl, sexy like Cardi B. No if you climb tree, yeah she's a bad B. Be her for the fuck, yo, she nah leave me, yo me up. Yo, my lifestyle up, my lifestyle.
Yes!
Kiki see the bend sign when me roll up, back it up on the stick she want crank up, yo rich. Yo, me saucy.
Sit.
Saucy boss.
Danger, take piece now. Take piece I forward now.
I want to give you something different.
What go on?
I
Something
want
different?
to find a dainty rhythm.
One day, give her a sexy rhythm because she
I
like,
don't have sex talk rhythm or...
Jagan have it, man. Jagan have everything.
Jagan, what you know about me?
What rhythm you have?
Sex talk, man.
No, you know when I had a rhythm that Dainty.
She not have it.
Give me something mellow when I can sing the people them song
You want
upon.
what tempo, what beat range? Tell me what
Just
go on.
like...
In the 90s, go in the 90s. 96 or something like that. So, right, so.
95.
Yeah, right.
Anything where
right,
nice and mellow.
Of course, simple as that, right? So people even joining us right now, we're live on Twitch as well, Facebook, also on Instagram. If you're watching from various
Now when
platforms,
you're good?
pick up on yourself, yeah?
Now when you're good?
Yeah.
Remember,
Alright.
support our YouTube channel, Upnlive show. This is Lil Dainty here live. Let's go.
I want you to come over here, Sir Rick. You know get your double plate it though. Yo, Jagan. I want you to come over here, so baby. Lay down, get cozy upon the bed. Tonight, me, I go drive you crazy. Take off my clothes, make turn your body red. Boy, you got my head spinning. No kidding, I just can't deny it. Tonight, there's some love making, bed shaking. Sit down, boy, make me ride. Rick, when you slide it inside me, you make me feel like in wife. I listen.
Yeah, man.
No,
Listen.
No, while I got Dainty self come. Dainty, remember in a compare me, I think I dangerous something. What that thing there?
It's fun. It's definitely fun, people. You know what? We love the energy, we love the live, we love the, you know what? We like the funness. This is how it is. Of course, and it's been a while since we've seen
You want to sing? Give
Lil
thanks.
Dainty. Yeah, man, give it a go a forward and fight,
Give
man.
thanks, right?
Not now fight.
Wake up, some give thanks, yeah. Thank God, some live along. The bad mind with no response. From them we keep the distance.
Yeah, some fresh, yeah, some
Clean.
clean. Go out for the money, dog. You know what I mean? Every day upon the trap,
Man,
man. I also for the cream. I fi be a billionaire. You know the dream. Do it like the clock, car. Time never stop. While bad mind a chat, them a toast and a mock you,
Yeah,
dog.
6, 7.
Watch out now, no.
No, different rhythm. See some of ya.
Hey,
Bunny live. Bunny live.
You know?
Make
Watch
cool
out
our
now.
vibes. Body live.
down good. Yeah. Watch out, yo. Hey, so me fresh on the road now. Tell Babylon, your mother know. Never want me reach on the road, yo. But a job bless me. Oh yeah, we outside. Out with the TR team, girl a pre, we a turn up the scheme. Them a shout and I say they miss me, yo. G and I see it, man a play in the Champions League. G and no end, get rich no one never. Pussy them a fight, but them can't stop me never. Money have to stack up, yo, tick up like leather. Me no red peas, yo, me never like pressure. So me take on the road and me apply the pressure. Me buy mama house with the pool and the beamer. Try stop my food, yeah, the jilla them there with it. Thing them yo fi burn them like pepper. Kanga me dep on the road now. Tell Babylon your mother now. Hey, watch out now, no.
Dragon
Hey.
feel like him just want to go extra that evening.
Yeah,
It's been a while. Make it go on, see. Run up, man. Go on, man.
watch out.
Freestyle, ready up.
Tell some pussy.
Yeah.
No
Good, man.
swearing, no swearing.
Watch out. Hey,
You can swear
Yo,
actually.
hold on, man. Him
Yeah,
trip up
I
a
see
while
it.
ago.
Yeah, you can
Trip
see
up.
it.
You can't see it?
Yeah, him trip up, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man, let's go. Ready up.
Janu, how would that go on? Me did it. I'm a ear sucker. You turn freak too. Yeah, sucker go on. Weekend, you all come like rush hour. You mean Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker go on? Yeah, me cookie jar broke. Like say bar broke. Me rich now, but I did it from the start up. Why you wanna switch now? It no make no sense. And I lie to me girl, come I got the evidence. If me ever catch a boy in my jump up a fence, yo girl, you hurt me. Me head a hurt me. Everything out like laundry with dirty.
What up?
Guess what no? Girl, you make me fall in love. Every day, me just wanna make love when you come my way. Whether night or day. Yeah, girl, you make me fall in love. Every day, me
So you
just
fall in
wanna
love?
make love. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
Tonight, let's stay inside and ride. I got this feeling on
on
my
my
mind
mind.
that I wanna play on your time. You know me love you from a long time.
Yeah.
We are make it public tonight.
Think of that. Watch out now. Hey. Girl, a freaky, yeah, that me like in a shy.
Yeah?
No fi pop the pussy pan the pipe, no fi ride. If you're the bass, you got the melody fi sing pan the pipe. That's why me want touch it every night. Yo, them are too slack for the people, them in I want to.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go on now.
No, hold on.
Just like how Angelina go and go, them say fed up challenge. Put something part of them here. Fed up challenge, Ronnie. Fed up
30
challenge.
seconds. 30
Anything.
seconds.
Give up.
30 seconds.
Tell the Andrew.
But I know what it's about this.
Yo, we tell the Andrew. Just say anything.
Andrew, I'm fed up. Right now, I can't bother. Me want fly, I can't fly. Airport lock, I want fly. I want breadfruit, I want fish. I want ackee.
Hold up.
When you say bad artist, a bad artist.
Of course.
Hold
No,
on.
hold on
Let me
then.
just point out.
Yeah.
Me challenge one of them man here will come here. We say them a bad boy and the. Wanna see your little dainty mash it
Bad.
up? Alright.
And here,
Oh, God.
Mr. Printer talk about.
I
Oh
swear.
no, I can't mash ants.
You have to bring him
And
out, man.
me
And first
can't do-
time is his first time. So
Ladies
he
and
did good.
gentlemen, get me want to see some fire up on the screen for Young Prince, Mobby Prince,
Mother Prince.
and
West
Lil
Side.
Dainty because I'm forward in the studio and them shell it down.
Magnum Friday say Andrew Figwe.
Brett, Brett said Andrew for
Boy,
going.
I tell you.
A true birds, a
them will
true.
kill Andrew down a yard, you know.
Not true. But Little Dainty,
Magnum Friday no good on the car. I good on left no one tell him out of power. And then lock me up.
Oh, yes, a PNP or labor, right?
Who me?
Yeah.
me wear.
Goodness free
I
country.
feel like it's
Talk,
a
talk
Rick.
true.
Rick
Which
and
one?
Rick.
Rick.
When be? Talk true.
Yeah,
Cause we always-
PNP though.
No.
Right.
Me the biggest labor right, but me change now, me
Remember,
switch.
switch.
down there, have a big
Them
labor
on
bus in a
one
wide
side,
area.
Yeah, man, me
Every
switch
year,
right
go
now.
Him did a
Yeah.
little bun and cheese.
A
switch.
PNP, I think this.
Yeah, man, every year go and go vote.
No,
for
man,
Labour,
me a Lebanese, you know, but you know what, right now, it look like Broga, we are throwing off our ship.
Me say him no name, so hand dream name.
I will
Go
give
on,
you
go
name,
on.
bro, God.
No, him give himself name, so.
In the initial.
I never remember Broga.
But
But
him down there talk about government badges Andrew Wellness.
You see
If
it.
anybody tell him suck him, mama, then go find him.
Really?
Yes, everybody say suck him, mama, Andrew, and find them.
Me nah-
Further on.
I'm not keeping up.
And you see them can't find no bad man down there. Them and them we are rape off little pig.
It's
them
true
the
when I
woman them.
kill a female, them listen, man.
which is right.
All right, me
Listen.
not
You
go
know what?
style him still no cause you know more go to Jamaica in peace and
Yeah, 6
everything.
years, me not touch down there, so me want to fly.
Exactly. Little
Yeah.
Dainty, Mobby a Prince, big up on yourself. Can you just
Thank
give
you
us some
very
last,
much
some
for having
socials for the last
Well,
photo?
you know, it is Lil Dainty everywhere. It's one word, Lil Dainty on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. You know, if you follow me on Snapchat, cause be it you go on one with. You see me?
Of course.
And yeah. What's Popping? Look out for What's Popping airing on the 30th of April.
Yeah.
So, artists who are watching, listening, just send us your videos and everything so, you know, we
Of
can
course.
support.
Definitely. Mobby a Prince,
Yeah, you know, see, I'm a prince for everything, yeah, man. That's one word. Mobi a prince and you find it. That's it.
of course.
I'm sure you
Mobi
can't
to the
spell it
prince.
too, though.
Yes. All right. And
Big
then-
up DJ Chris Fearless, my little brother. I'm always there for me.
Of course.
Isn't he?
Big up on yourself. Thank you very much for passing through. It's a pleasure having you on the show this evening, all right?
Big
like
up
always,
Royalty Empress, #1 fan.
big up the whole team and a big up the smooth face as well, you know, for the formal introduction for Lady the little Dainty from back then up till now, still doing her thing. Great artists, always have good songs, you know. Some nice little lovey-dovey song. I like it, you know. Look at something there. And look at new direction with Mobby Prince. It a go on. Look at freestyle something Dragon bring in. I like that little energy there. Look at, we'll catch up some artists, you know. But remember, do follow our channels on YouTube. It's called Upnlive Show. Make sure you go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on Twitch. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince. We're here each and every Tuesday.
Between 9 and 11.
Yes,
You know.
exactly. Of course. Rasta, what's good?
I'm good. Like, look at it to come in here, like in here did hot before,
Yeah.
but she just bring the sauna and you know the little fuel which is Moby
Yeah.
Prince. She just
Alright.
she probably without warning, but yeah, we're good, man. We're good.
You see it, which
We're
is
good.
right. Of course.
Yes, sir.
Me I pray for London this summer, you know.
What?
Me feel like say me send no money go to Jamaica.
Fidua.
Go do it.
No, me I play a song and tell you, man.
Okay, drop it.
All right, go
Well,
on now.